In this video, we will walk you through how to edit and add employees to Peakflo. You can add limitless employees with a reasonable fee and grant just the right access and permissions to the employees to manage and control their expenses seamlessly. How to mass upload employees. Admins can sync all employees to Peakflo by integrating their ERP and accounting software with Peakflo. Easily sync all your travel and expenses information such as employee details. How can admins add employees directly in Peakflo? Go to the Employees tab under Expenses. Click on Add New, and the employee window will open up. Fill in the details based on these descriptions. First name is the first name of the employee. Last name is the last name of the employee. Beneficiary country is the country in which the employees are eligible to receive benefits or compensation. Employee ID is the identity number associated with the employee. This number can be imported to Peakflo or synced from the accounting software or ERP. Approval policy allows you to add the specific approval policy for the employee. Once the employee submits a travel request or an expense report, this approval policy will be assigned. Travel and expense policy allows you to add approval policies to travel and expense for the employee. The difference between the travel and expense policy and the approval policy is that the approval policy is for the approvals, but the travel and expense policy is for defining what kind of values or rates can be used in the expenses. The policy admins can assign the policies to the employees. Direct manager is the manager to whom the employee reports to. Additional info are the predefined custom fields for the employees, such as the department and location. You can also add notes and select the tags for better classification of your employees and reporting. To set specific tags for your employees, please reach out to support at peakflo.co once the information is filled out. Click on Save to complete the process. How to edit employee information. If you've synced your accounting software or ERP with Peakflo, you can see all your employee details on the Employees tab. For editing the employee details, click on the employee name you wish to edit, make necessary updates, and click on Save. How can employees edit their profile? Employees can click on their names from the top right side of the screen and go to My Profile based on the permissions and rules of the employee. Only certain fields can be seen or edited by the employees. They can make changes and click on Save to record these changes. For more information, check out our help portal at help.peakflo.co or send us an email to support@peakflo.co.